Want to enhance your eyes on Facetune? Today in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to fix lazy eyes on Facetune. Let's get started. First, open the Facetune app on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on Add from My Device. Select the picture that you want to edit. At the bottom, there are many editing tools that you can use. Tap on Reshape. Tap on Face. Then select Eyes. Now you can use the scroller to increase your size of the eyes, width of your eyes, height, and other features. After you're satisfied, tap on the save icon at the top right to save the edit. And that is how to fix lazy eyes on Facetune. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.